Hello everybody, this is Medio and I am going to make a very quick tutorial video of the stone factory here. So a couple of viewers requested for this video. So here it is, and this tutorial video will be divided into a few sections. The timings will be in description and you are free to skip any section if you so desire, and let's get started. Alright, so let's first start off with the stone generators themselves. So I advise that you build the stone generators up 7 blocks in the air. That's 7, and then go ahead and break these blocks and place a block here, 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 and here. Then you can break that and then do something like this. And then you can break these 4 blocks in the middle to get a pattern like this. And this is what it looks like on the underside. Then we'll have to do this and this on both sides. These places will be where you are putting your water, and you have to build up the middle column a little like this. Put a water there and water there. There you have it. And then you build up the sides a little bit like this, and then you cover the water there. Cover that. And then before you place the lava in these holes, these 4 holes will be where the lava will go. Before that, you might want to put a piston over here, like that. Then you can place a lava block, like this. So you're almost done now. All you have to do is fill in a couple of these holes at the sides to allow for redstone wiring, and you will want to break that here. Redstone all around the top. And then for this, you put a you do this, set this repeater to 2 ticks, put that there, and then nearly done. All you have to do is just place obsidian at the 4 edges, and over here place pistons. And one more piston. Alright, so you want to build the next stone generator. The piston for the next stone generator will be like that, so these two will be side by side. So after you're done replicating your stone generators, you'll need to build a clock, because these generators require a clock to run. So you put that stone brick there, or whatever building material there. Do something like this. Put a redstone there. You'll need a comparator. This will act as a pulse limiter, like this. Set this to 2 ticks. Do that. Wait, no. Do that. And then you will need a clock here. Set that to 3 ticks. And when you put a torch here, everything should work. There you go. And if you want to let's get rid of these stone bricks first. Yeah, and if you want to stop the stone generators, all you have to do is put a lever here, power this block, and everything should stop. Let's clear these blocks. Next, you want to put a piston right here and right here, and then obsidian over here too. Then you will want to be able to power the piston, so you just do this. to bring the redstone current down over here and set this one to 2, this one to 1 tick, and put a block there, redstone like that, and do the same for this side. And now when you turn this on, oh wait, okay. Remember to place the redstone on these two too. So when you turn it on, you'll get this happening. Right? So the next step would be to make an array of pistons, multiple arrays of pistons to form us a box of stone for the TNT to destroy. So next up will be that. Alright, now we are going to work on the pistons, which will help us form our stone box. So the final product, the stone box, we will want it to be 7 by 7 by 4. So the distance from here to here is already 7, so we can skip that. And then we have to count 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can break these 2 blocks, put an obsidian there, do the same for this side. And then what you want to do is you want a row of obsidian like this. 7 blocks of obsidian, and then pistons on this side. And then you do the same for the other side. We'll just do it like this then. You know what? Let's just do this and then put it back. Okay. So now we'll have something like this. Then we can run redstone all along here and here. And this is going to be 4 blocks high, so let's have pistons over here too. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Same with this side. And obsidian. Then you can have your pistons. And there, so you would also want pistons on the other underside too. So we'll just do this. And more pistons, more pistons. Break these. Do the same for this side. Oh wait. This has to go 1 block lower. Then pistons, pistons, and pistons. Next, you want to have a row of building material like this. Repeaters, set this to, what was it again? Okay, set this to 3 ticks. And have a whole bunch of repeaters like this, all facing into the pistons. This will power your pistons. And then connect all these using redstone. And do the same for the other side. Repeaters at 3 ticks. more redstone, and we're done. Almost, actually. So, wait. Connect these like this, and then you can just do this. And I think this was a repeater. Yep, that's right. Okay. So go to the other side, do the same here. Repeater facing into this obsidian block. Alright, so after doing all this, you will realize that these pistons at the top are not connected yet. So you have to connect them like this. Put redstone on top. And then what you have to do is you can use half slabs. And you can do something like this. So when the current flows, it will just run up here and power these two sides of pistons. So you want to power these two, and to do that, simply just have something like this, and you're done. Do the same for the other side. Stone slab there. Redstone. Is that right? Yeah, it looks right. Okay. Put that there. And this should work perfectly fine now. One more thing though, you would want to put obsidian around the top of this. To prevent the stone from being pushed any higher than 4 blocks. There. And if we turn it on, it should work just fine now. So the sides of this, I would advise you cover it up with any material. You can use stone bricks, or if you want, you can also use glass. So let's have a bit of glass going here. This is a little noisy. Let's lower the volume. Okay. So let's have glass, 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 and more glass. You would want to also cover this side with glass. Once you're done encasing everything with glass, it should look something like this. And then now we will need to have a layer of water at the bottom just in case a TNT manages to get through. If a TNT happens to get through, we don't want anything here to be wrecked, so we'll need water here to help us with that. So you form a little square like this. Wait, is this a square? I don't think it is a square. Yeah, whatever, good enough. Then you'll need to have hoppers all over here like this. There we go. Then hoppers all the way to the back, leading to this hopper line here. Now these hoppers will all bring the stone which is broken by the TNT into the furnaces, which we will put over here. So furnace, 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 furnace. There we go. And then if we go back up, we can fill all of this with water, like this. That's all filled up. And you can leave this open if you want to, or you can seal it up. It's a better idea to seal it up to prevent any stone from flying out of this. And of course, you might want to leave yourself an access hatch so they can come in and manage some stuff inside, whatever you need to do, managing or something. Okay, so finally, we will need a collection point for all of the stone. That is a trap chest. Where is... Okay. So we'll have this hopper leading into it. More hoppers here and here. And we are done. Well, almost. Alright, so lastly, we will need a mechanism to dispense TNT. So what I used here is a counter. You need droppers facing into each other to create this. Set this comparator, toggle it like that, and then you can put a repeater there, redstone dust there and there, torches here and here. Do this so that you get something like this. Alright, now what you do is you put a few items inside there. Let's just put 4 for now. You can see some interesting stuff happening here. This will be your output. Oh, we can have a dispenser here and put all the redstone in there. So then we can make a clock which will help us count. Well, actually, first let's use a button. So I'll show you what happens when I press this button. Now there's 3 redstone and 1 redstone in that dropper. 2 redstone in this dropper, 2 redstone in the other dropper, 1 redstone here and 3 redstone there. And when I press this, there you go, the dispenser just fired. There's 4 in there, none in here. Let's press that. 3, 2, 1, and that signal goes off. So what will happen if we... Oh wait, I'll need this redstone. If we connect this redstone here like this, so what this is doing is basically let's do maybe this. Okay, basically every 8 pulses it will cause this dispenser to fire a redstone. See that? Okay. There's another one. There. Every 8 pulses, 1 item. So essentially, whatever amount you put inside these this dropper system, the number of pulses it can take is doubled. So we can use this system here and use this clock to essentially dispense TNT. So what this counter here is doing is that it's counting the number of cycles of this entire factory, and then when it reaches a certain number of cycles, a TNT is dispensed. So usually this stone box takes about 50 to 58 cycles to complete. So I have 30 items here, which means that every 60 cycles a TNT will be dispensed. So if we do this, and if you have the patience to wait 60, no, wait. Alright, 30. It will dispense one at 30. because it started with 30 here. And then we'll be able to see everything at work. So there goes the TNT. And the box here will start to reform. And you, of course, you have to put coal in. Wait, where's the coal? Alright, you have to put a bit of coal into this. To smelt it. And you'll see that when the box reforms, a short moment after, of TNT will be dispensed. There we go. And then your final outcome is stone over here. And these furnaces will smelt that cobblestone which is brought about by this TNT. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time.